So what is actually informing your decision to fast? Is it that your church has declared a 14 days fast, or you yourself, because you want to reduce weight, you have embarked on intermittent fasting to reduce your weight? Anyways, what actually matters most is that you are fasting the right way. Because if you fast the right way, it will go a long way to improve your physical well-being, and then in return can affect your spiritual life. My name is OWUSU EMMANUEL, a physician assistant by profession and then a minister of God. In today's video, I would want us to look at 5 things that you must do while fasting. Anytime you begin to fast, you need to look at these 5 things. And this is according to medical research. Yes.
Oh my God! Wow!
Yes, it is according to medical research. The first thing is that if you are a kind of person having a medical condition, before you fast, you would need to inform your medical doctor. There are certain conditions like diabetes, hypertension, peptic ulcer, or someone on a medication, a pregnant woman or a lactating mother. Before you embark on a very long duration of fasting, you will need to inform your medical doctor so that he will give you advice. The second thing you need to do is that while fasting, you need to be taking water, hydrate your body. Don't be fasting and then ignore food and water at the same time. You can ignore the food, but you would need to be taking fluid or water at some point in time so that you will always maintain your fluid balance. The third thing is that always listen to your body. Always listen to your body. At some point when you are fasting, you might begin to experience dizziness. Sometimes you begin to throw out, or sometimes you experience excessive hunger. Once you begin experiencing this, your body is giving you a signal that at that point in time, you need to eat. You can continue the fasting the next day. Don't kill yourself. Listen to your body. The fourth thing we need to do is that immediately after fasting, you need to eat nutritious or balanced diet. There are some people before the fasting, they used to be eating morning, afternoon, and then evening. So they will combine all those three food. Immediately after fasting, then they will consume all the three food. No, 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 no.
What are you saying?
After fasting, you need to eat balanced and nutritious food. Take fruits and vegetables, and also take food containing the carbohydrates, the protein, balanced food. Then the fifth thing we need to have it in mind that if you have taken the decision to fast, then you need to stay focused. There are some people who fast to reduce weight intermittently. So if you have taken the decision to fast to reduce the weight, you need to stay focused. I hope you understand. However, the previous 4 things I said, you need to take that into consideration. I hope this video is very, very helpful for you. If you want to stay healthy and then live a very healthy life, subscribe to this channel for more videos. Share this video to many people and then like this video. Thank you.